What's up? It's your boy Kicks, you know what I'm saying? Got that free verse. Check it.
I took a shot of cocaine and I shut my woman down. I went right home and I went to bed. I fucking love it 40 beneath my head.
Don't freak out or act a fool. Don't think now, be casual. You are witnessing musicians that are masterful. Get passable, let's get factual. My mind is a temple packed full of scriptures. I'm starting bitch MCs like Jack the Ripper. I'll spit your ass open like a pack of swishers. Better bow down when the masses enter. Ordinary Joe, you could call me Josh Eppers. Monetary woes, life's not getting better. Working class hero, but I'm broke as fuck. But I still write rhymes, my dreams don't give up. Say I'm a gimmick rapper and I'm a joke to you. Till I serve your ass lyrically, start smoking fools. Sit back, watch you go when I'm wound up. This track, J Cash, turn my sounds up. I'm addicted to pills, yeah, I got bars. Leave you speechless like you got locked off from sucking my cock. I'm a problem if you never took me seriously, got y'all saying
Mercy on me.